Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here with StopStrugglingNow.com. And today, it's all about the celebration. We have went past 300 subscribers. And I just wanted to say thank you very much for coming to the channel, listening, interacting, sharing your feelings. So, with this video, it's going to be short and sweet because, as I mentioned a few videos back, there's a company called DCU.org who gives you 5% interest on your money. So we're going to recap on that since it's a celebration. They're also started a 3% down loan for mortgages. And that's the beauty of a credit union. Sometimes they give deals that a bank will not give. And now they have a special, but we'll get into that. The Silver Stacker Challenge. Only one person who believes that silver will rise took me up on the offer for the Silver Stacker Challenge. Curse Smash. That's right, Curse Smash is the only one. And we'll go into that briefly as well. So, as you know, let's get to it. But that's only after you subscribe, you like, and please share. All right, welcome back. So, 300 subscribers and climbing. Thank you so much, everyone, for coming here to watch, listen to the messages, watching the videos, and sending comments and making it an experience. So first up, you see on my screen, AppMex, the place where you can buy precious metals, and Curse Smash, the only person that took me up on the Silver Stacker Challenge. And just so everybody knows, right up here at the top, this is where it's $14.74 at the moment. When we entered into the contest, silver was at $14.24. So it's 50 cents more than just a few weeks ago. This contest is over January 15th, so everybody can watch. If it's more than $14.24, the K-Man wins. If it's less than $14.24, E-Man wins. And the deadline is what the price is on January 15th, 2019. So we have a long way to go. So in the spirit of 300 subscribers, I figured it was time to go over a way to save, a way to make a little cash. But it's not what you think. This is going to be on DCU.org. It's a credit union that I mentioned before that gives people 5% on their money, but it's only for the first $1,000. It's a credit union. You have to sign up, and I'll have a link below. And the reason I'm going to have a link below is because, once again, they sent me this link, refer friends and family, and as you can see, they'll give me $10 if somebody signs up and makes a deposit, and you'll get 20. Pretty simple. And here's what the rules are. Refer a family and friend, log into my account, share, refer a friend. Once you complete the online referral, they'll send you an email with the code. I get 10, you get 20, free money just for signing up with the credit union. But you will need to send me your email address, your first and last name. Send it to Eric at StopStrugglingNow.com. It's that simple. And then I can send you the referral link. And then when you sign up and make a deposit, then you'll get $20 added to your account. Plus you'll still be earning 5.21% a year on your money up to $1,000. After you go over $1,000, any dollar after $1,000 earns less. I don't know what the numbers are, but it's a lot lower than 5%. It's probably 0.05, I don't know. But you might as well get $1,005 on your money and sign up with the credit union, because what comes next is you'll be able to apply for car loans, mortgage loans, and generally you can get a lower interest rate. or favorable terms, such as this right here. Up next, this is also what came this weekend. Buy a new home with a low down payment, 3% down with a DCU mortgage. 3% down, 3.5% down is needed for an FHA loan. And now these guys are actually doing their own 3% down. And notice 30-year fixed rate, 3% down. The interest rate's probably going to be in the fours and possibly could be 5, but nonetheless, no cost for private mortgage insurance is also major, which is known as PMI. And when you do an FHA loan, you actually have to pay PMI. So again, this is another reason that sometimes it's beneficial to be part of a credit union. And now you have a chance of being part of a credit union. They're actually going to pay you as long as you send me the information at eric@stopstrugglingnow.com. So don't forget that. And in the spirit of 300 plus subscribers, if you're going to Orlando October 13th for a week or October 14th for a week, there is a place called Sheraton Vistana Resort Villas. We're going to go over the pricing in a second, but I just want to show you that. Oh, and also this here, I don't know, most people know this is Atlantis, and this place here is called Harborside at Atlantis. If you stay at this location, you get a wristband to go to Atlantis. And as you can see, yes, these are reservations that I have coming up. This is at Sheraton Vistana, this is at Sheraton Vistana, this is at Sheraton Vistana. But what do we have here? A 2-bedroom, October 13th through the 20th. And I'm going to give everybody a special price if you want to go. If anybody wants to go to the Bahamas, October 13th through the 20th. And if you want to go to Sheraton Vistana, October 13th for a week or October 14th for a week. These are all 2-bedroom, 2 baths, full kitchens, usually washer dryers in there. There's 2 full bathrooms, and it's well, in the case of Sheraton, it's a resort. So they have pools, they have mini mart on site, restaurant on site, fitness center on site. What else can you have in these places? Anyhow, so we'll go over, I'm going to tease you a little bit because now you can see, now that you know it's Sheraton Vistana, and I'm actually going to go through the pricing for you to see what the pricing is if you were going to stay the 14th through the 21st, and it looks like $1,526 plus tax, right? Let's see what it's going to cost, because I'm going to give you guys a discount, of course. Let's see what they say here. $1,709. All right, so if anybody wants to go, it's only going to cost you $1,250. Almost a savings of $500. This is in the spirit of the 300 subscribers and rising. And if you're talking about, and that doesn't matter, it's October 13th for the week or October 14th for the week, it's going to cost you $1,250 including tax. And if you want to pay by credit card, it's going to cost you 3% because you're going to pay through the PayPal invoice. Now, as far as Harborside at Atlantis, that's a whole nother story. Let's see how much it's going to cost over there when you book a room. Simple enough. Oh my goodness. It looks like $1,769 per night. Let's see what they say. Can that really be true? And let's see. Yeah, it looks that way. So this is going to be interesting. So if any of you want to go to the Bahamas or had plans for October 13th to the 20th, I can do a 1-bedroom. I'll make a deal. You're going to have to email me. I can do the 1-bedroom premium. I can make a deal for that too. You're going to have to email me at eric@stopstrugglingnow.com. And if you want to stay in the 2-bedroom, well, You can see right now it's $15.92 per night, and it would normally cost $14,000 for the week. So if some of you are going to the Bahamas and you want to impress people because you do, like I say, get a bracelet and you do get complimentary access to Atlantis, the price of $4,500 for the week. That's it. That's right. StopStrugglingNow.com. That's the kind of money you get to save. So this is short and this is sweet. And the last thing I'm going to say is a previous video that I did. And at the end of this video, I'm going to have a link. You can save on your cell phone bills. There's no reason not to. A one-time payment of $300, 9 years. You will not have a cell phone bill for 9 years for $300. Unlimited voice, unlimited text, unlimited data. All those are, there's an asterisk, so it's throttled back after 2 gigabytes. Free hotspot. Can call 92 countries from the United States with no roaming, no long distance. So, as you know, at the end of everyone, keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.